Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online, and you can boost your sales by creating product review videos. Several AI tools can generate promotional videos with just a link, but imagine making a video where a realistic AI avatar holds the product in hand and reviews it. This approach makes the video more believable, increasing engagement and sales. You don't even need the actual product, a model, or even a camera. With AI, you can create professional, eye-catching product promo videos that attract more customers and boost sales. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to create product videos using AI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to make high-quality, engaging videos that can go viral and drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Choosing the right products for Amazon affiliate marketing. To maximize success, selecting the right products is crucial. Here's how you can choose the best products for Amazon affiliate marketing. Understand your audience. Choose products that align with your site's theme and cater to your visitors' interests. Check product demand. Search for specific products, keywords, and categories on Amazon to see what's trending. Sort results by product line, sales rank, or customer reviews. Explore seasonal opportunities. Consider promoting products that are in demand during certain seasons or events. Diversify your portfolio. Don't rely on just one product category. Expanding your offerings increases potential earnings. Research competitor activity. Search for your chosen product on Google, YouTube, and social media to see how many people are promoting it. Use SEO tools. Tools like Ahrefs, UGC, or SEMrush can help check keyword volume and competition for related search terms. Avoid oversaturated products. Unless you have a unique marketing angle, it's best to choose products with less competition for better visibility. Once you've found the right product, it's time to create a product promo using an AI avatar. Go to the topview.ai website and sign up or log in to your account. Topview.ai is an innovative online AI video editor that enables users to create viral videos effortlessly by transforming links or media assets into engaging video content with just one click. It leverages artificial intelligence to automate various aspects of video creation, making it accessible for both novice and experienced users. Select an avatar. Choose the desired avatar that best suits your product. First, at the top, you will find options to create videos from product links and materials. Next, in the AI Creation tab, you will find tools to create avatar-based videos for various purposes. Let's start with the Avatar Marketing Video Generator. In the AI Creation tab, you will find tools to create avatar-based videos for various purposes. Select the desired avatar as needed for your product. Then, you have to upload your product link, or you can upload a product image. You can also generate an image using this feature. Just enter your prompt and set the image style. Here, you will find different types of image styles like Basic, Pro Photo, RAW, and 3D. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, your image will be ready. Now, we will use an Amazon link to create a product AI avatar. Just copy the link from Amazon and paste it into the prompt field. You will then receive generated material. Select the materials you want to use and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the material analysis will be completed. Here, you will get your product name and product details, which you can customize as needed. Then, click on More Options. Here, you will find different script writing styles. Choose the one that matches your product. Next, select the target audience. Since my product is for adults, I am selecting adult. Then choose the video length. You can create a video up to 60 seconds long. After that, select your logo, aspect ratio, and watermark. The watermark and logo features are optional, so you can skip them if needed. Once everything is set, review your selections. If everything looks good, click Generate. Within a few seconds, your video will be ready. Finally, export the video and save it for later use.
Tired of adult acne? Let me drop a bomb on ya. I found the secret weapon. Minimalist 2% salicylic acid face wash. Swipe to see how my oily skin glowed up after using this. It's not just salicylic acid, it's LHA2, double the power fam. This combo deep cleans pores and gently exfoliates the outer layer. Plus it has zinc to fight bacteria and keep oil at bay. Score, sulfate free, fragrance free, all the good stuff. Gentle AF, oily or combo skin, dealing with pimples, this is the one for you.